guys, let me show you our newly rehabilitated cistern tank. As you can see, very white siya. Wala nang makikitang mga biyak-biyak. Waterproof namin to and repaint. Ang cistern tank, by the way guys, ay imbaka namin ng tubig. Ito yung ginagamit sa whole building na ginagamit nila pampaliko, panlinis, and sometimes ginagamit nila sa pagsasaing, cooking of their rice and everything. Yan. Diba? Ang luwang-luwang niya. Iniaakyat ang tubig from here, basement 5, going to rooftop. May imbakan din kami ng tubig doon. And then, bababa na lang yung water supply to different units due to gravity. Yan. Ito yung cistern tank namin before rehabilitation, before waterproofing and repainting. As you can see, very dirty siya and biyak-biyak na. Iniwasan lang namin dito yung totally mag-collapse yung cistern tank. So, kaya modernize, rehabilitate na namin. Yan. This is before and after. Yan. Okay. At least you have idea kung ano ang mga parts ng building. Hindi yan usually nakikita ng mga tumitira sa condominium. Ang usually lang nilang nakikita yung unit, pero yung pinaka-part or bituka ng building ay hindi nila nakikita. And these are our two transfer pump which have vertical turbine na nakita natin kanina sa baba. Yun yung tumutulong mag-akyat ng tubig sa ating overhead tank na nagsusupply ng water to individual units. Okay, guys?